To inspect and adjust the drive belt deflection on your Polaris Indy VR1 with the 650 engine, follow these steps. Before performing this procedure, always make sure both clutches are at rest in their full neutral position. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface. Remove the left side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panel away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, place a straight edge on the belt. Then apply downward pressure between the clutches to measure the deflection. If adjustment is needed, remove the clutch spreader tool and spread the panels apart as needed. Next, loosen the jam nut on the belt width adjuster. Then turn the set screw inward to increase the distance between the sheaves, or outward to decrease the distance. Once deflection has been set, hold the set screw and lightly tighten the jam nut. Next, spread the clutch 1/2 inch. Then torque the jam nut to specification. Next, remove the straight edge. Then remove the clutch spreader tool while spinning the belt clockwise and reinstall the clutch spreader tool. Recheck belt deflection once again and repeat this process as needed. Always remember to remove the straight edge before proceeding. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure the panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.